Good morning. So many of you have been asking what I eat in a week to build muscle and also look toned at the same time. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I eat in a week, as well as some budget-friendly and healthy recipes that you can try out. I'll be sharing the ingredients for all of the recipes on screen, but if you want the whole recipes, I put them together in a little ebook for you, and that has the macros for each serving as well. So if you're interested in that, it's the first link in the description. But one of the recipes that I'm super excited for this week is pizza night, because we're making sourdough pizza. Buffalo chicken sourdough pizza. It's quite hot. We want to get about 30 grams of protein in our breakfast to sort of kickstart protein synthesis for the day. And it also helps you stay fuller for longer, regulates your energy levels, and a whole lot more. So whether you're aiming to build muscle or lose fat, or really whatever your goal is, protein first thing in the morning is so important. Purple! You know what? That is a win. And it's purple. What more could you ask for? It's quite spicy. We're making sourdough, but my sister's gonna teach me because I don't know how to make sourdough. What to do?
So about 320 grams of water.
Which one? Yeah. Water?
That's warm water.
This starter's been going for months now,
Yeah,
hasn't it?
since August.
Yeah, so basically what you do is you put the flour and water in the jar and then leave it out of the fridge, and then it ferments. This is gas, it's the bubbles that make it bigger. There you go.
Natural yeast respiration.
Natural yeast. Oh yeah, so when you put this in the sourdough, you don't need to add yeast after that because it's all from the starter. So,
In theory, it should float in the water. Yeah, there we go.
it's floating. Oh, that's 60. Just keep adding. So now we're gonna mix this together to make it all frothy. We used wholemeal flour for the starter, and then we're gonna add white bread flour as the main main bread. Just slightly sticky. We're leaving this for half an hour.
Yes, this is what would be classified as the autolyse period.
So what?
Autolyse.
Autolyse.
It's essentially just giving time for the flour to absorb the water.
Okay. Flour is absorbing.
And then we start stretch and folds.
My hands. The restriction.
Give it a little wiggle. And then fold it over. Yeah.
The restriction and folding to encourage more gluten
Yes.
to grow. I'm learning.
It's not really gonna grow.
Grow.
It's more of a form.
Form. I'm learning. How many folds do you do?
Just the 4.
Just the 4?
Just the 4.
We'll leave it for half an hour, fold again, and do that 3 times.
Possibilities, living in past fantasies. Damn, I got the eagle eye, couldn't help but notice. Really caught me by surprise, you look different. Not like any other time, girl, I really can't help you. Know we really can't rewind. What's done is done, that's the hard truth. Lately, I've been working on myself, girl. Working on myself, girl. Yeah, I'm trying to get back to good health. Got to get back to one day I saw you by chance. Felt hollow.
Cup hands, push away at an angle, and then drag it around and pull it back towards you. And then keep going until it's roughly round.
It's sourdough time! So the sourdough has been in the fridge overnight, so that's like, I don't know how many hours that is, but it was in there overnight, and now it is almost 12 o'clock. What we're gonna do is preheat the oven to 230 degrees C with the dish in it. Dish is this dish. So this is what we call a Dutch oven. You can get it on Amazon. I'll put a little Amazon link in the description if that's helpful, but essentially you can bake the bread just like on a flat tray in the oven, but this will help you get a better crust. It'll just cook better and you'll get a better sourdough because of it. So we're gonna shove that in the oven. I've preheated it right, well, I just turned it on. It's hot. 1, 2, 3. That's cute. I'm gonna make a smiley sourdough. Look at that! We cook it in the oven for, it's gone, 27 minutes.
이제는 너무 익숙해져 버린 너의 한숨들이 난 더 이상 하고 싶지 않아.
So baby tell me why not 너와 나의 그 차이가 why not 너와 나의 그 차이가 You and I just wanted more.
너의 중요하다는 words It's for you It's all for you 가만히 있으면 안 되는 걸까 왜 그런 거야 I'm okay just the way I am I'm okay with what I do 지금이 들어도 상관없는데 이 끝이 없는 조언들 너만한 necessity 고맙지만 고맙지 않은데 You know I don't want to know I don't want no more no more I don't want to know Gotta get up now Gotta get up now I don't have to know Gotta get up now
Specific to fitness, of course, fitness goals and whatnot. One of my biggest ones was to obtain a Gymshark sponsorship, and it's finally come to fruition.
Right here, right now Yeah, yeah, yeah 덜이 찾으면 안 되는 걸까 왜 그런 거야 I'm okay just the way I am I'm okay with what I do 지금이 들어도 상관없는데 이 끝이 없는 조언들 너만한 necessity 고맙지만 고맙지 않은데 You know I don't want to know
So if you want the recipes for all of the meals that I've shared in this video, plus some bonus ones, because I know some got a bit repetitive, like breakfast wise, then you can check out the link in the description. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like, share it with a friend, drop a comment, and let me know what your favorite recipe was. Also subscribe, because this video took me literally 2 weeks to make. I spent the whole week filming and then the whole next week editing, because there was like hours of footage. I mean, since you've already spent this much time with me, you're officially a real one, and I appreciate you so much more than you know. Let me know what you want to see in future videos, and if you're curious about my weekly workout split, you can check out this video next. Love you so much, and I'll see you there.